platform, whatever, say, see. Why we say, I want my TikTok, then the way I take day that time, where we say 2 people, 3 people will just the platform, will talk, everywhere go full, view go full everywhere. Go ask Easy, Mr. Easy that time, he could tell you now. So, then I never know any of them. You understand? So, if not like that, me say they don't say, I don't want to bring people up. Maybe some of you now, therefore, not even know now. Yeah, it's possible. I don't be God. Sometimes God use people to help people for life. It's not, everything is not all about money. You understand? How you want to make that contact? Maybe I'm supposed to don't be a millionaire. Maybe the kind of people when I me go with, where business come, I say, okay, strike. Then they fear. They think can weak me down. And not feel can do it. Maybe now make me stay there like this. But you guys, I don't know. I don't talk say TikTok not bless me. Why not? I'll talk say TikTok not bless me. God bless comment section people. Who go do for now? No go, you know go lack. You know why they talk? TikTok, it bless me. It make me meet some kind of people where if it change a little bit of me. I don't get joy for anybody before. Where if it change me, I can't say, oh, I can't know how to patient Ozokwo, na name of person. I can't know how to look well before I they talk. You understand? People must they will be say you go see them the way they say they do things when you they communicate with them. You say, how this person can't be like this? Okay, may I just act like her? Even though say your blood not feel match. It be like the way they form to say I must speak UK English. They born me for UK. I wanted one. Me we grow for Benin. I mean one for streets. I mean one can they speak all those kind of English. No now. But when you they meet people, you they talk more about these people. Before you know, you don't see they get the tone. Everything is practice made perfect. This TikTok comment section, you can be number 1 in Europe tomorrow. You know understand? In the world, you can be number 1 if you say you want a stream. God can lift you up. Nobody God put for there saying I go remain top. Two-Face where they start music, all of them, you see them today. So never you say now you want be that up. Never. Me, people must pass me. I be God. Not be person create this app. This app na my papa I be na my mama. Not be somebody create this app all of us they use so. If you be saying that my brother or my me creator or whatever, they go buy me for this life. Waiting person create. Why even can use and pass I take creator and say me will take the user. If we come to our we will be Nigeria, especially where we come from, the value view, that if you say view now be success. View is not a success, it's not a contact. You can get view and be foolish. You understand? I can get view, I can be foolish. I don't know my way. You know understand? You see say Pella they shot. How many times Pella don't carry all those Nigeria people with the view? He don't put their picture. He don't put them for back. How many people he don't put their picture for back? Not be gifter. Mafia. Sammy Dubai. Grego, right? People with the gifter. Why? Because now then they motivate them. Try to put them for that level up. If Pella stay live video say no rose fly. No rose. For like 15 minutes, no rope, no rose, no money gonna drop. He go off that live video as J. Don't be we wait there Europe here. We go day like this. Even though say Rosemary, not they fly. Talk less of a obobo. We go day, they talk our life, talk our history, everything. Nothing go fly. We'll see they there. Oh. Now that person so they'll see say people see view and so more. People see talk because of view. Because of view. What it be view? What is view? When you don't have contact. It's useless. Me, I pray for contact. If you be say these people wait just there here now, just get like 10 people wait bad. Where they feel anytime when I come on life a day, they must throw me baby lion. If they think I go they talk too much. I'm not going to talk too much. You understand? So a bad donation, we don't start am for years, going to 5 years now, be 4 years now, we don't start donation. First and foremost, we going to use my one of our board member account before we can still say, okay, that one they busy, you know, they quick answer call because of your work and everything. I can say, okay, we can matete. Me, I be one kind of person where be say, I know they make suggestion for myself. I go ask TikTok, ask people, how now say make it be. They go tell me, say, okay, this person, before we can give our secretary now. You understand? So we don't dey use that account. She don't try. Yes, fine. She don't try for years. Okay, fine. That account where we donate money put for Goya yesterday. Let me come back to the main point when I come this live video. That account, we don't dey use that account now for years, right? Even the person where go the radical the issue, say that so they want send money, put bad money, you come for live video. For me, you say you call me your friend. I'm your guy, right? You come for live video, you say you want pray bad thing put for inside 500 cent put. But you can't forget, say that same account. Now you send 1 million when you take support one girl for my platform, which I appreciate you for that. Because I didn't respect it. You send 1 million naira put for that account. You remember vividly and vehemently. You understand? You can't forget all those things. You understand? So, sometimes I dey wonder whether this TikTok, whether it don't change to another thing, whereby say, you say you don't like something, but you like to do this same thing all over again. You mention my name countless times, bro. I never want me talk. Now, your own people, they talk, not me. People are talking in my platform. Not be me, they talk. Now, people, they say they talk. I respect you as a friend. But what you asked yesterday, you felt do one when I want to play game. It can't be like say you they purposely they do this thing. You don't understand my own view. I'll tell you the truth, bro. I decided not to call you. I supposed to call you when I did Fabrica yesterday. Because too much of calling, maybe you they take and say, maybe I don't know what thing I they do. I like friendship. I respect friendship. You still be my guy. I not fit change that one from you. Nature don't already do one. You know understand? Will be blood for one side. But I'll tell you one thing for life. Wait till you know, say, you not go fit start. You not go fit finish her. No starter. I know the kind of insult when I don't collect for people matter for this TikTok. Not be my own matter. So, they donate give person. You and that person will be enemy or whatever for TikTok. You can't come for your own platform. Say, may they bring the account. Come, that account. Say you want pay 500. You want swear put for 500. Pray for that 500 naira. Send put for my own foundation account when I they use. Bro. I no expect them. I no expect them. So you talk the thing. You know, say the person where you get the account can't even come your platform, can't say, pick me up. You pick her up, you can't put her for big screen. That one can't lay down. Remember, go. Now my account that they use for long ago. Not be the person, not be go your account. You understand? Not be go your account. Now my account you can't they laugh. Yeah, yeah, tell me your me. You way you know say the thing. You don't do this donation for your platform, which I they praise you. Say you know easy. You they really they try. You know easy to donate money for people. So because say the girl dey Europe with us, she no fit get problem. Why not? Even me wey dey here, so sometimes I dey run out of cash. I dey hold person for this TikTok. When I want help my brother come uptown, it choked me. I decided to borrow money from person for this TikTok. Till now, I never pay finish. I dey suffer the pay. If that one follow me tomorrow, me no go talk. I say I know say na me wrong. Na me wrong. I don't quit pay you, madam. You don't need to not saga me. I'll first saga myself. I dey hold, bro. Me wey dey here so. Nobody will know the whole. Nobody will know they pass through difficult things. Why? I be human. It don't read for me like this one day. I don't see money to pay strength. Then I go meet person where would they work as far. Give me small thing. I'll pay you if they pay me. Not be say I don't get family for Europe. We busy. We are over 40-something people, cousins, brothers, relatives. My own mom. None of us in Nigeria. We are 4 here. I did my best. The power of TikTok. I try. I make sure say waiting I promise when I come out for us, I do. Say I will remove everybody. So, bro, me, I dey use my own TikTok to make contact, to get influence, to know people. I don't sacrifice my if I say I don't sacrifice myself, I don't try like that. Because now here I did where they first call me that and say they shoot my brother for leg. I don't need to come out for school. Then I want boss, only brother. Wait till this up. Alpha. Innocent boy. I God, if you feel do this one for me, may I get that contact. But the contact come through TikTok. Why people they abuse TikTok? TikTok get power. Not be everything I feel they talk for you. TikTok get power. Through TikTok, I decided I achieved to land for Lagos. If me TikTok say me go fit get land for Lagos, I want it one. Rambo mute. Rambo mute. Mute now. You understand what I dey talk so? Through TikTok. Now I tell no Rambo. Even when my platform dey hot, Rambo na person will be say if they call me for phone, go just call bros. I beg, bros, not do this thing when you want to do so. If they give me advice, yeah, see, that time we never be afraid. I dey paddle for her, and they shout for her. The day I say, who be this one? No, they disturb me. But I don't know, say it will be one of my best friends tomorrow. You understand? Will they do things? If they get me, that is life. So sometimes your enemy from TikTok, it can be your best friend. The way you take stand your ground, the way you take bring comment section. If I talk, I say there be gods of TikTok. You know why? Now through comment section, that person for come meet me say, Alpha, Osas diploma, come do. I see you say you get brave, you get business idea. Alpha, come do this thing to me for our this thing, our landed property for Lagos estate. Come be the ambassador. I come say, he owe me ambassador when they hear them for Nigeria. Like play. I say I need to investigate. I carry lawyer for Abuja. I carry one of my friends who gotta grow up, a big lawyer for Benin. I say, may they go. I spend money put for that thing. They go investigate everything. They come say, I say, okay, the person genuine person. I even when I the work follow na Isham person from Ekpoma. I was so happy saying now from Edo State. So we can't strike a deal, we can't start to do the thing. He really see my effort. I good in marketing, bro. You understand? No be say the no Rabo, wait. I don't want me to talk. I want me this matter be only me one. In case if they will saga me, let them saga only me one. I don't want another person. You understand? understand? So make it face me, saga me. I know say definitely must talk about her. You dey get me? You understand? You dey get me? You analyze me. I know the quarrel put. Now normal thing to analyze me. If I don't do well, if you still talk, I not be say you say you want. My problem be say you dey find who get account when me say they donate money for my own foundation. When you want pray bad prayer for, put 500 naira for this account. Where be say you don't fair come my platform. Donate 1 million, give somebody, which I appreciate you. I respect, say I no expect them. Because of that thing what you do, the respect when I get for you come over high. As a friend, you be my guy. Waiting with they fight for. Waiting. I don't fight you. All those people, we meet them for TikTok. We go still live some for TikTok. Now only you feel carry come out where we don't the old. And we don't the old. More to be saying I mean get power pass for the whole Europe, I get math. No. I want make people grow, even past me. People must grow past you. When me they read that time, me never hear of Pella. I know they hear say Pella. I know they hear. But when the guy come, he pass everybody. View, express. Money where that boy don't touch. If me touch him, say I dey touch that kind of money, I for don't carry myself go bongo. Waiting at the wait for. I never see person we don't go press the neck. Then they talk about Pella. Kata if you go talk about Pella, go talk about that. Why? They believe say all those things now to back the trade where they did. Because if they stop her, they feel fall down. Just to rain. Now made they do that thing. If you say you understand about social media. Now make can we be say you they talk say yeah, they talk about you, they talk about you. Bro, people must talk about you because you are still living. They talk about who don't die now. You still they live, you still they active. Now you supposed to they happy say that they talk about you. You they rate more. And when people don't come near you, they'll come see say waiting that they talk about you, you are different of it because you don't touch a people life. You don't help people. It's not easy. Which I dey appreciate you put for that thing every day. Say, thank God, another person don't still join us for this trade. Because one person not go fit help everybody finish for Nigeria. Never. Where would they do am? Would they do am battle every blessed day? Share rice for Lagos as Lagos big reach. 20-something bag of rice. We'll bust am, share am, cook, do everything. Go worry. Go Abuja. Abuja where our president dey. We go there. Imo State to Agbo, where we never touch, bro. Esan, Abi na Auchi. We don't touch. All those things. Me, I know they brag put, saying I me they do. I can never. Now comment section people, now they do. I can never press say, now me be the foundation. Now me do pass. Now me don't help people pass. Never. I can't do that. I can't do that. Even though say I dey even donate put for the money, I no go proud put. Because all those people, they feel leave us tomorrow. They feel decided not to they support us. How we want to do our life. We they pay close to 700,000 for house where we rent for orphanage, where we register. But because of BVM, I never feel open the account because I'm the chairman. I not dey bongo. You understand? So, you know me say we not fit get account. People dey Nigeria where they operate the place, where they open the place, the local. They get account. You know understand? So we for here, we understand what ourselves. Now we choose one person, say, okay, now you go fit this thing because you dey active. Not be the one where you come the ready code, they find who get account where me donate money put. That thing. And if you know the finance, I don't know how now they think am for comment section because me get the way I take reason am when I did work yesterday. I was pissed off. You dey find accounts for who donate, when me donate money put for my own platform. The owner of account, you want pray, put 500 naira. Ah, that one don't pass. It don't pass. What about if that account na my account? You go pray, put 500 naira, may I die, right? Or may something do me. That thing what you do yesterday, I don't take it likely with you. I tell you the fact because I don't want to call you. Because if I come to they call you, it will be like say you dey feel say maybe I dey call you for anything or just for no. I like friendship. You be my guy. I supposed to dey call you anything will happen. Okay. We will dey call each other. Or I decided this one, I not go call you because why? You know do. You know do. Not be something where you just, say before you just do something, I'll call you, sir. This thing where you do not good. Not they do again. You just tell me, say, you be my guy now. I know they take something put for mind. I don't want to make this thing they disturb me, whereby say I'll constantly they do like say we be guy. I see they like they do with you like that without say I not speak out. No. I tell you, that thing where you act yesterday, bro, not repeat it again. You don't even know who be who. You don't even know the kind of people where be say if they're around you. Likewise me. Not threatening all those things. Good. You understand? All human beings are not normal. You understand? So please, don't let this kind of thing repeat itself again. I don't like her. I don't like her. If you talk about me, saga me, talk anything, na my guy you be. I'll just see the leave Enogie, may talk. If you don't talk, finish, you go come. You understand? So don't try to say account of foundation. That account don't bless a lot of people. It don't save a lot of lives. Accountable, bro. That account so it don't put roof for some people head for Nigeria. Even before you come to TikTok. You understand? So whereby say you come they do all those kind of things, it don't go dey funny for both of us for this TikTok. Say now me and you come they because you the only they do sometimes you insult everybody. I will just say Mona leave. Everybody will come they badge me. You too cool, you don't want to talk. No, I'm not cool. I just respect friendship. Mona leave, I know do again. You know do again. If you analyze me, I not go quarrel with you. Analyzing a normal thing. If you even the saga me tomorrow, I feel can't even come your platform, can't gift you. It will gift you away. Because me, my whole prayer waiting me, they pray for people where the saga me, make I tell you. Okay. I pray God give them the strength, may they take the saga me. May they not stop. If they stop, now there the calamity they come from. You understand? So anybody wish to saga me, let them talk. Anybody, I dey pass this message to people. Anybody where you see say they saga you, tell them say who pass you pass and the person go jam. And number 2, pray to God, say may God give them the strength, may they continue to the saga you. Because the day where they stop, they be say that they make fool of themselves. If anybody they saga. Yes, you don't need to stop now. Why you want to stop? You want saga me, you can't stop. No, now. Continue. If you continue, I will respect you. That is nature ways. I know they speak anyhow. You pray for people where they talk about you. May they not stop. They say, if you do a platform like this, you see say a picture today, blogger post on this one, it they get joy because it still did landline. You understand? Not be say Osas they run for saga. Osas they do this one. I never marry, bro. I get right to do anything when I like for this TikTok. I never marry. I never put woman for us. It might be with introduction. You understand? So I feel play any play when I want play, nobody consign. You know understand? Ah, yes, Osas too had everything, Osas too do like this. Yes. Now my decision. If it happen to me, now my mistake sometimes. You understand? So I still be single guy, we never marry, where they try to settle down for future. You understand? I feel get people that is very close to me that know my value and when I respect. But it's gradually processed. I never promise to say, okay, I don't come out officially. Can't tell everybody. I feel do anything when I like. You understand? So, bro, you have yesterday. Not be everything I would call, can't they talk. No, no now. Because you not call me before you do what you do. You do it purposely. If they donate 400 or something, give person. Now joyful, 200 euro. How much person they see for Fabrica a day? Fabrica work. When I go yesterday night, now network I will they work. All my years are there, so you see they make with machine and editing. If you see me for a side where they carry carton, you will not say, ah, this was as diploma, not be this thing. People will know me, they'll tell you. Big carton, I'll carry on, no level. Why? I dey Europe now. I need to do it. Even though say I dey autonomous. You know understand? I still need to see the user and they back myself up. I don't work for this country since 2015. I dey work. You understand? So just that the work not a day stable. You know how they be now. If you reach time to give like contract, they'll just say no. They don't change the cooperative. Bro, I supposed to, if not be waiting play, I supposed to know where I supposed to day for this Europe. Because why? I dey like to day up there. I don't be person will be saying I dey like to they do equal with anything legability, no more man. You know, I like to near people way pass me. You understand? Bro, TikTok go come and go. TikTok. Our turn will go over. Another people will continue. That is life. Nobody is jealous of anybody. This is just normal. We cannot escape it. This is just nature. We cannot run from it. I pray for the day we be say, I open this TikTok. A person even open and give me that and say, be like saying my so I don't can remember. You understand? So he open now. I did from bingo. I borrow for bingo. That's why I put crowd for bingo. I enter TikTok, I switch. If people say they don't touch people for life, comment section don't touch my life. I don't get sense with many story where they come. You need to wise up. Me, I the peak. The person they talk for here, I'll just quiet. I not be mumu. Who will be men with they mess up? Some women they mess up. You understand? That thing where you play yesterday, bro, I beg you. With the name of waiting me and you believe. Not do again. If you talk about anything else, Osas, you be bad person, you be two-faced, Osas, you not good, you not be bad friend, you not be good friend. Which kind of person be this one? Sagami. I go just respect you. Now me go even come your platform. If they block me, I'll come with another maybe I'll open another account, my second backup. I'll come gift you. Say thank you, bro. You be my real G. Forget. For you to even they talk about me na plus, but not be account. We will take the help less privilege. You hear me? Account we will take the help less privilege. It did dearly to everybody. I never want to talk down on you for your help when you they help people. I always talk, say, ask Rambo now, say, that guy they try. Donation not easy. Oh. If you say easy, everybody for the do for their platform. You understand? So for you to do that thing yesterday, bro, I beg, not do that thing again. I dey beg you. Not they send me requests. I don't want to play game. You understand? Ah, God. Holy Cross family. Who be Holy Cross family? Una know Holy Cross. Holy Cross family. Una know her. So I beg. I dey beg you. I respect you as a friend. You see me say anything what you dey do, I always dey appreciate am. Because you dey do your own vibe the way you take know am. If people they talk about you, no they complain. If any of your gifter go gift to another person, no complain because your gifter na another person gifter. You know how many of my gifter for this TikTok? People, women, even they were from comment section. Osas, how they say they subscribe? I want gift you. We'll from here talk to them. They go come start to the gift. We'll hate them. The comment section people go beat them. Now money rich one. From there, they'll bagger. Boom. I not go see them again. But me go to here say they go throw away 10 lion, throw away 5 lion, throw away 6 lion. Kudos for them. The time where they take gift me. Bro, they try. I don't work for them. Anybody both go yaw, both you where be say una they throw mat, they give people gifter. Una not get gifter. None of una get gifter for this app. Even me not get gifter. Person, you're even person woman, person girlfriend, not be your gifter. You go physically work out tomorrow, you go see who you want sorry for, you go gifter on behalf of you. You can see the screen record. You go give so person. I just give one. Now you get the money. Not be we work the money. So a lot of things they we will not need to the talk about we sanity talk. And number 2, to the bring juju they come this app. This our app so na bad thing. Here now to talk everything. Nobody don't bring juju. Juju is forbidden in this app. Nobody they bring juju, they come. You know understand? Ask me how juju want to come TikTok on the key person. TikTok where we both create. Juju will come pass inside. You can't keep person. We call ourselves a traditional people. We supposed to know the value of everything, the condition of everything. How juju till they work, you supposed to know. You understand? So if you want to cause somebody, you don't need to come on live video. Come they tell us we don't want here. If you want to kill somebody, kill them. No any of you now, not come they threaten people for this TikTok. Threaten. How many people you go fit by? They'll see they talk about you. But when you quiet, it go reduce a little bit. But when you they talk, you know, say this word when me talk today, for this full week, different platform go talk about them. They will saga me, even my enemy people. The people come out say, hey, Osas, no man, that one. No mere frega, oh, no me frega caso. E capito? I not send. You understand? I not send anybody where go saga me. Because why? Now TikTok, if you offer, you don't go hear them. And then number 2, I bet Mona not send me any screen record where people take the saga me. Mona not call me say somebody like this one they talk about me. I don't want to hear it. You know why? Because if he not hear word, belle no go ugly. You understand? Me not be person will be say I can't come on life, can't they play that thing. If now some people, what you do yesterday, they here, therefore don't they plan, say see the way you take perform. Me, I can't do that. That make me be different somebody. I'm very different. I very hard to predict. You can't predict my calamity or my nature or my anything. You don't know the way I'll do the thing. I'll just do it easily. Good afternoon, positive vibe. You understand? So this TikTok now for fun for everybody. Everybody can be big on their own. Nobody dey up there. No, nobody. People where we gather start TikTok, nobody dey up again. Me no dey see them. Never. I know they see them. Nobody when I they see where we gather start TikTok. Please, brothers and sisters, both people where they talk say I bring person come, make come they insult you. I don't bring person come insult anybody. You come meet the person for up. You come they ask some question, then una come they insult each other. It's different than say you dey up first before person come insult you. You come meet them, you come meet the person, you ask some kind of question. Maybe you use aggression, you use anything, or the person don't respect you, or not get conflict. You know, me no know. I do my best. Say no insult your senior, no cause mama, no cause papa. Now I be waiting I talk for this little, no cause speaking. Mama, papa, pikin. Mama, papa, pikin. Remove it for your mouth. If it cost me, you not go pay me at all. Or wife, remove wife, join her. Because not be our wife for future. Not be send us what they do. No insult anybody, woman. Come for who come for you. You understand? Come for person where come for you. So that this TikTok will get peace. I go respect you if you feel they come for person where come for you. Nobody go they drag, hey, Ogu go kill you, Ogu go kill me, Ogu go kill Vabene. You are not Ogun. Everybody must die. All of us for this life. We go. Before I grow rich like this, you know, I die. Some days I motto, they die. Some sleep, they don't wake up. Some bow, they not there again. Some pass Jamaria, they not see them again. I better pass them. No. God have the purpose. Say, Osas, your time never reach. You know, when I small, I did say, if I don't come abroad, I don't mission complete. I don't know whether the thing do only of una for you. I say, God, I bet never let me die. My first see Oyibo life, I be. Because the kind of dream when I come, the dream when I small, it too the heavy, bad dream, that dark place. You dey get me? I say, hey, may I first see Oyibo because I dey watch film a lot. I dey come up for my old mama house that time. I'll go to find where television they will never buy television. I go there one that film where they show for 10:30. Now they watch 10:30 for night. I'll sit down for ground, bros. Thank you. You do well. Thank you. Sometimes I did NEPA come see light. As we dey reach road, they'll bring her come back. We'll run again. Midnight. I'll say, oh, I'll feel see Oyibo lap. I just like Oyibo that time. Not be the Europe with this. So me never even come abroad where they call me Akate. For a mat then. Based on the way I tell they do. But when I don't come Europe, everything when I plan, when I say I'll bust my ear, that's why I will just bust my ear, draw everything, and not do one. Everything change. Europe changed the calamity. Me, at the road, I say, I hire 6 months now. I be hairstylist for us. I get big shop. 24 boys, I guess. They work follow me. Even some of my boys, I get that they Europe here. They call me, bros. I greet you. Thank you. You do well. You understand? But when I come, story change. Not be me they do fabrical work, so I don't understand. I be past people where they do one. No now. But they do one, they carry carton. If you see where I carry carton today, you they say this one a diploma. One boy will be say he put me for the work. He only they did my platform. In a junior, now my guy, now from Agbo, but now my G, now the same blood, everything. Sometimes he get like when they come with Osas. Now you they carry carton like this. Now you they long trailer like this. Before you know, before 1 hour 30 minutes, if work day, I don't feel them. They reach up, only me one. So far, you're the sparrow for me. I carry television, we be say you go food the whole parlor. Only me one badara. I did one. Why? I need the money. I just want to grow up. I just want to join the one where God they give us small for you. Where TikTok family, where the help of people, where like good thing, where they give us for comment section. Not be we work the money for them. Eh? If you see say I push shirt, not be my fault. Na anxiety. Not be say that me happy pass. You know what it be say person carry your own money, €100, use and buy gift sent for you. You can't get €50 for his side. You know what it takes. Since morning, yesterday, as I did load, I did remember all these people they try. That make me go time gifter. I'm in love with TikTok, but I love my comment section. I love my gifter more. I sing not be say I good for music or I bad, but I just did try. Anything where they drop like these people must talk. Osas, you know good, Osas, no one thing where be say Osas don't do. You understand? Way they good for people, I know. If quarrel happen for my platform, now me be the victim. If I not did there, now me be the victim. If I talk, now Osas be the victim. If Osas don't do anything, now Osas be waiting. Waiting I do. If I quiet, you go just quiet the look. If I talk, Osas let people talk now your platform. Okay, wait. Now I want pay my mat. Or now I just fold me put for one place. Make I know they talk again. Must I talk the way now they talk? Never. I cannot talk the way you guys talk. If you they go here, me go they go here. Because all of us go one place like that. The road go too tight, let us pass. Now I made they see overtake. Oibo way do road, they put and say overtake. You overtake me today, tomorrow another person overtake you. Tomorrow another person. You wait, they don't overtake. Tomorrow, God physically carry you, go put for that front again. If you still there alive, you never die. You are still breathing. Anything can still happen for your life. Are you reason and say one of the people will be say with the praise for here, come be governor tomorrow? And you get contact with them. You know, deport yourself. When you tell you, say, come, may I give you one budget? What do you want to do for this life? So, respect people. View, no, they bring anything. View, no, they bring gift. Now, who want gift you, go gift you. You understand? Even saga, what we do yesterday, oh, people where you call say they come they gift me yesterday. Now people will be one can support me for Goya match. Now they come bless me yesterday. Sure you understand? All those talk where you just will see will get 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 for year. You know they work any money for us. Ajay, who say if they get money for view, I say maybe the UK. But for me, where they use Italy, this thing, I know they get any money for view. You understand? Please, may we respect ourselves for this social media. May we share contact, share idea, share how you want to meet up for life. We know if you the open live video, they chat every day without elevate. We need to elevate ourselves. Make contact with people where they from far, people way far from you. Respect them. You know, try to talk to them. How they be for that side? How they be? Like, you understand? You get interest like this, like that. Now we go fit take grow. All of us. Not be to the look this one. He gave you see that one that day whether na from almost what they call it. No. See that one. Osas one put himself for that post where he fed day before. Which post you give me? You give me cup. All those things when they do ever since. Because say you and that person will get issue. You want to use me to the sagana, may run for me, I be bad person. I take be bad person to run. You ask him, call him for food. Say, Osas na bad person to you. May you hear what he want to tell you. I not be bad person to anybody. That's why if I see any good way go come anybody way, we be say it come, I'll share to everybody. Don't be more bagay. You know understand? The thing if you no favor me, it go favor you. When I share and give. I feel if you meet up, you go meet up for the thing. Now so life be. I repeat, I supposed to don't be millionaire for this my life. Contact come. person wey me trust say okay go fit pull out, I give am the contract, he do my he wrong when he see the thing, he say he no fit. By now, maybe I for not even dey TikTok, they follow people, they talk again. I had the contract take on, now through TikTok. So respect TikTok. Make friend with people where you feel elevate you. Do things with people where you feel promote you, where you feel they up there. No, they saga anybody, saga everything na cruise. No, I don't do that. Me, if I did TikTok like this, waiting I they pray for. I just tell you my mind. I dey pray for 3 things. 1, comment section. May they not come on leave me. Because now inside the comment section, I dey pray for contacts. The most important thing when I dey pray for, now be gifter. May they gift me. I dey tell you now the secret of TikTok. I can't hide it. That is me for you. We dey pray for gifter, all of us. We like gift. If me see gift, I dey push it. Without gift, I don't get strength. You see me say I was lazy for TikTok. I just deal like this. So sad, you know why I don't see gift. You understand? Now gift, now they motivate the Kataefe, the Pella, the Javish, all of them where they do streaming. Even Arab people. Now gift, oh, may they not deceive you. If you get gift, okay, Mona give me gifter. All gifter may I be gifter. Mona carry view. Mona give me gifters. May I just get Sami Dubai and Mafia. Whether or not come they look ally until they fly. Our TikTok universe till they fly. Truth is very bitter. All of us we value gift. No matter say you they work. If you be streamer, now gift oh, and comment section. Now you they look oh. Because if they come on leave you, you are doomed. You are doomed as a man. You are doomed as a woman. Because not the only man that's do streaming. Then people they way they use it. Thank you, big. People they way they use the thing till they promote themselves. Self-awareness for what they do. Why you not just instead of you to the fine person where you want radical or whatever what they call them, you get the momentum. Use and to elevate, bro, man. Use and elevate. Even though some people talk about you, the day when you go show off, all of them go quiet. Now what thing I want from you? Now what thing we want from you? Me now, wait there. You know, say that all they can't follow me. Now make quick talk. My own say I don't thrive. Now like this I do rich. You know understand? I don't see get impact people. People don't grow through this platform. Come to host, come to wait till they come be today that they host, that they not there. At least if they're on platform, 2 or 3 people they watch them. Now good thing be that one. You don't elevate people. You don't create people, create awareness. I they give my platform to everybody to excel. I made a call out rock butter. So not blame me for anything where they happen for here. Talk about me, saga me. I will respect you. Then please guys, if anybody they saga me, only one thing where you go just do, say, can't give this person write his name. I go understand. Not share the live video, give me. If now the person when I feel go, I'll feel go there, go give her 2 rows. Say, ah, you do well. Ah, brother, continue, not stop. Oh. If you stop, sister, continue, not stop. Oh. If you stop, now be say you have finished the records. Even career the end. My saga the end people career. May pass this message. If you saga me, no stop. Oh. Because the day when you stop, now that day me will come the brother, you know saga me again. I'll tell people, say, when they go the right and say, saga Osas, anybody with the saga me. You understand? My saga, they end people career. Go and investigate. Because why? I will not saga you. I can only tell you, send message to you. You understand? If you the saga me or they look you. Away who away, you understand? The bread don't day for years. Now we want to use am. Now we dey pray for. May God give us the person we go